Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to lock Facebook profile officially. So go to the top three lines over here, go to settings and privacy and go to your settings. So once you click on that, you'll find audience and visibility. Over here you will see there is followers and public content, right? So after that, what you're going to do is make sure that your followers, all the public, it's public. You need to go ahead and change it to friends and save it for everyone, for everything. So go ahead and go this and go to save it. Don't put it public, just put friends, save it, go to friends, save it, and then after you're done, after that go to profile and tagging. Similar to here, you can just change it to your friends that if you haven't. Then after doing that, go back, profile locking, and lock your profile. So you have officially locked your profile picture. Thank you so much for watching.